Step 4 is go after your mid-back. 9 times out of 10 that people have a stiff neck, it's actually because their upper back is being overused and tired, and it's placing extra stress on their neck. A great tension relief for the upper back is to drape yourself backwards over the edge of a bed, over a chair while you're sitting in it. You can use an exercise ball, or at the very least, just lie down on the floor and drape your arms back and let your head rest on the floor, and that will start to reduce the tension in between your shoulder blades and in your upper back.